How do you decode words with more than one syllable? For example, look at these words. In this lesson, you'll learn how to decode closed syllables by remembering that when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it usually makes the short vowel sound. Now let's review a few things. Long vowel sounds say their alphabet names, like A, E, I, O, and U. Short vowel sounds say A, I, E, A, and and the schwa sound says the sound as well. Every syllable has one vowel sound, and the number of vowel sounds equals the number of syllables. So one vowel words always have just one syllable. Now a common mistake is that people want to pronounce all words with long vowel sounds. So when they'd see an A here, they'd assume it said its alphabet name A, and they'd think it was the word cape. But cape is actually spelled with the magic E at the end. This first word is the word cap. So when a vowel is followed by a consonant, the vowel will usually make the short vowel sound. Here's some examples. We have that A followed by the N, so this word says can. Here we have the E followed by a T, it says pet. And here we have the I followed by a T, it says sit. These are all closed syllables because the vowel is closed in by the consonant. Now let's look at some examples. Let's find that vowel, A. Is it followed by a consonant? Yeah, P, so it's closed. Let's try it with a short vowel sound. Tap. Does that make sense? It does. Here's another one. We have an E. It's followed by the consonant T, making it closed. Let's try it with a short vowel sound. Fret. Yep, that's a word we know. So what we did was we looked at the word and we found the vowels. Then we asked, is the vowel followed by a consonant? And make sure that consonant isn't followed by an E, or else you might have a situation where there's a magic E. And then we read the syllable with a short vowel sound. Let's look at a few more examples. Here we have the vowel O followed by the consonant P. So let's try pronouncing it with a short vowel sound. Stop. That works. Here we have the vowel E followed by the consonant N. Let's try it with our short vowel sound since it's closed. Men. And here we have two vowels, both followed by consonants. So let's try dolphin. There are exceptions to this rule. Let's look at a few more examples. Here we have this word. Let's find the vowels. Okay, there's two. Now let's see, are they followed by consonants? They are. So let's try splitting this right after the B and having two short vowels. Rabbit. Does that make sense? It does. Rabbit. So that's our word. Let's look at another example. Let's find the vowels. Then we need to see if they're followed by consonants. And they are, so we're going to try splitting them after that consonant and make it say the short sounds. Deliver. Deliver. That doesn't really make sense, so we might need to move it, and so this is an open consonant and it'll say a long vowel sound. Deliver. For more information on that, check out Decoding the Multisyllable Words with Open Syllables. So what we did was we looked at the word and found the vowels. We asked, is the consonant followed, or is the vowel followed by a consonant? And then we read the syllable with a short vowel sound to see if it made sense. In this lesson, you learned how to decode closed syllables by remembering that when a vowel is followed by a consonant, it usually makes the short vowel sound.